Hello students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes. Students, as you all know, I am making a revisional video for your upcoming examination, and today I have taken some important question that is very important for your term second examination. Here I have mentioned some important fill in the blanks. This is your practice time. You have to practice more and more questions to gain maximum marks in your examination. So you can see question number first is the select all button is present at the dash corner of the worksheet. स्टूडेंट्स, आपसे ये क्वेश्चन कर रहा है the select all button is present at the dash corner of the worksheet. As you all know students, the select all button is present on the top left corner of the worksheet. It means you have to fill here top left. Okay, what you will fill here? Top left corner. Top left. Okay, students, as you all know, suppose that this is a table. Okay, this is a table and you want to select this. You want to select entire table. Okay, you want to select entire table. Then you will see top left corner. Here you will see a rectangular box. This is your select all button. This is your select all button. Students, if you want to select entire table in your Excel sheet, then you have to click on the select all button that is present on the top left corner of a table, okay, or worksheet. So you have to fill here top left. This is your right answer. Clear everyone? Yes, the select all button is present at the top left corner of the worksheet. Now the next question is, that is question number second. Question number second is the dash features fits in the long text within a single cell. Students, the question is asking about that feature which is used to fit text in a single cell. So your right answer is wrap text feature. Wrap text feature is used to fits in the long text with a single cell. जब भी आप एक्सेल सीट में टाइपिंग करते हैं और कोई अगर सपोज दैट स्पेलिंग लेंथी है और आप उसको बिना स्प्लिट किए एक ही सेल में आप उसको एडजस्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आपको wrap टेक्स्ट फीचर का यूज करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, Look at the question number third. Question number third is typing dash before or leading 0 treats the number as text. Students, look at the question. The question is typing dash before the leading 0 treats the number as text. What you will feel here, students? Tell me. Write in comments your answer. Apostrophe. Okay. Your right answer is apostrophe. Okay. Students, if you want to write 0, typing apostrophe before or leading 0 treat as the number as text. So your right answer is apostrophe. And the next question number 4. Question number 4 is press dash to copy the data. Tell me, student, what is the answer? Write your answer in your comment box. Okay. If you are thinking Control plus C, then very good. Your answer is right. Control plus C. Control plus C is used to copy the data. And tell me, students, what is the shortcut key combination for paste? What is the shortcut key combination for paste? Answer is Control plus V. Control plus V is used to paste the data. Clear? And tell me, students, what is the shortcut key combination to cut the data? To cut the data. As you all know, students, Control plus X. Okay, Control plus X is used to cut the data. Okay, Control plus V is used to paste. Control plus C is used to copy, and Control plus X is used to cut the data. Okay. Now the next question number 5th. Students, question number 5th is dash is a time effective tool. Question number 5th is dash is a time effective tool to fill data in the cells automatically. Students, question is asking which feature is a time effective tool to fill data in cells automatically. Students, as you all know, autofill feature is a time effective tool that is used to fill data in cells automatically. Okay, here you have to fill auto fill. Okay, autofill is the right answer. Clear? Once again, listen me carefully, students. The select all button is present at the top left corner of the worksheet. The select all button is present at the top left corner of the worksheet and the wrap text feature fits in the long text within a single cell. And question number 3, typing apostrophe before a leading zero, treat the number as text and press Ctrl plus C to copy the data. Students, if you want to copy any data, just you have to press Ctrl plus C. And then question number 5 is autofill is a time effective tool. Autofill is a time effective tool to fill data in cells automatically. Okay. Now the next one is true false. Okay. Okay, now students, here is true false. I have mentioned here true false. Tell me, question number first is, in MS Excel, there are 6 text alignment options. Tell me students, this statement is true or false? If you are thinking this is true statement, it means you are right. This is the true statement. There are 6 text alignment. Okay, left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, justify alignment. Okay, and top and bottom alignment. Okay, there are 6 text alignment. Okay, now the next question is, the font group appear on the home tab. Yes student, this is also true. Font group is appear on the home tab. Next question number 3, the border button is present on the home tab. Tell me student, this is true or false? This statement is also true. The border button is present on the home tab. Next is, multiple columns cannot be added in a worksheet. Students, क्या आप एक्सेल शीट में मल्टीपल्स कॉलम ऐड नहीं कर सकते? कर सकते हैं. It means this statement is false. This statement is false. We can add multiples column in our Excel sheet. Question number 5 is, in Excel, MS Excel does not have a predefined series of data. Students, in physical classes I have explained about MS Excel, and in my previous video lectures I have already explained about MS Excel, and where I have told you there in MS Excel have a predefined series of data. But the question is asking, MS Excel does not have a predefined series of data. क्या MS Excel के पास कोई predefined डाटा नहीं होता है? तो ऐसा गलत है. This statement is false. Okay? This statement is false. Clear? Once again, listen me carefully. In MS Excel, there are 6 text alignment. In MS Excel, there are 6 text alignment: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, justify alignment, top alignment, and bottom alignment. The font group appear on the home tab. This statement is true. And the borders button is present on the the home tab. This statement is also true. And the question number 4, multiples column cannot be added in worksheet. This statement is false because we can add multiples column in our Excel sheet. And question number 5, MS Excel does not have a predefined series of data. This statement is also false because MS Excel have a predefined series of data. We can use predefined series of data. Okay. Now students, the next topic I will explain in my next video lecture. Till then students, goodbye. Thank you for watching my video students. Have a nice day.